Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. Today's recipe is going to be a raspberry limeade, but no sugar. So how do you do that? Because lime is so sour. You might think, oh, it tastes terrible. This has been one of my all-time favorite drinks to drink during the hot summer months. So much so, I put it in my cookbook. It's on page 46. However, I wasn't wild about all the sugar in it, so now I've got the recipe of all recipes. If you Google the importance of citrus fruits in your child's diet, you will find a plethora of sites all touting the benefits of citrus fruits. But the most important citrus fruit, the most nutritional one, is lemon. So to get lemon and that citrus in your child's diet and in your diet is tricky because we do need all that sugar to counteract it. And it's very important in the hot summer months to get lemon in your child's diet to rehydrate them and give them vitamins and minerals that are depleted because of the heat and they're playing, etc., etc. So let me show you. Okay, now the only way to do this is with the little miracle berry. So here is the ladidi berry, otherwise known as miracle berry. This is what is going to make your citrus taste sweet. So you want to pop 2 of them in your mouth, chew it, roll it around, do not swallow it, bite it, coat it on your tongue. Make sure it coats all your tongue. And then you'll wait 30 seconds. We need a ½ cup of frozen raspberries or 1 cup. The great thing about this is that the measurements, if you want a little more raspberry, just add more, less. It's so, the exact measurements are not that important because you're just dealing with, so we got the frozen raspberries, then a cup of lime juice. So I'm just gonna put a whole cup. And a cup of water. That's French for water. Just those 3 ingredients. Now I'm just gonna run it through the strainer to get all the seeds out of it. Personally, I like the seeds. It's good texture. People might not like it so much. It's a personal preference. And ta-da. Love it. It's all nice and thin. But you see, I'm rolling on my tongue, coating my tongue with it. And I think I'm ready now. Can you believe I am enjoying something so refreshing? Raspberry mint lime, raspberry limeade without any sweetener whatsoever, but it tastes so gosh darn sweet. I wish my child was younger so that I could nourish his body with something like this. This is like such a great little trick to get, to sneak little nutrients into your child's diet, which is what I was always on the lookout for when I was a young mom. You need acid in order to activate this. Okay, be it some citrus, apple cider vinegar, tomatoes, amazing. But this is just the most refreshing drink, and it's like thin. I don't like thick drinks. It's just so thin and lovely and just satisfying and refreshing. So anyways, I urge you guys to try this, and if you want to try something else, add some mint in there to make, just takes a whole flavor just to a whole new different level. So if you make this, please comment below how you enjoyed it. Tell me how just thrilled you were. It's such a cool trick. And I will see you next time, definitely in the kitchen. Thank you.